Hey there, I'm taking you on a journey from curly to straight. Let's get started. First, I start with the Ouai Detox Shampoo to fully cleanse my hair. This concentrated shampoo is with apple cider vinegar, which will deeply cleanse away dirt and any oil. After I thoroughly cleanse my hair, I will rinse it out. Then I will go in with the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. This hair treatment reduces breakage, strengthens the hair, and improves its look and feel. Making sure I apply a generous amount from roots to ends, and also combing through with my fingers. Now I'm going to let it sit on my hair for about 10 minutes and then rinse that treatment out. Now I'm going in with the Olaplex number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. This shampoo restores, repairs, and nourishes to add incredible shine and manageability. I will now rinse it out and then grab the Olaplex number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. This conditioner restores, repairs, and nourishes without adding excess weight. It also eliminates damage and frizz for strong, healthy looking, and shiny hair. Always remember that shampooing and conditioning ensures a clean canvas for the silk press. After rinsing, I will go in with my deep conditioner of choice from Mielle. I will work the deep conditioner throughout my hair. I will now clip my hair away, let the deep conditioner sit on my hair for about 30 minutes, and here I will add a little heat to it. After rinsing and allowing my hair to soak up any excess water with a microfiber towel, I will then start parting my hair in smaller sections and then braid my hair so it can stretch it out just a little bit. After I have finished with the braids, I will allow it to stretch a little bit and then undo the first section and go in with the Olaplex Voluminizer Blow Dry Mist, which is also a heat protectant. Here I'm just using my wide tooth comb just to comb throughout my hair just a little bit more, and then I will go ahead and start the blow drying process. As you can see, I have a round brush, and then I'm just using my blow dryer to create tension near the roots, and then making sure I get my hair as straight as possible. And then I repeat for each section. Once I'm done blow drying my hair, I will now grab the Olaplex No. 7 bonding oil and just apply it throughout my hair. Now I will get a small section of hair and just use my flat iron to just apply heat down the shaft. Also using the chase method with the comb. And just repeat. Remember to continue to work in small sections and take your time for the best results. To finish off the look, I will apply a lightweight hair serum to add shine and protect against frizz. Now I will style my hair, and just like that, we've gone from curly to straight. The results are absolutely stunning. It's a fabulous way to switch up your look without altering your hair's natural pattern. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for the next time I upload. See you on my next one. Bye.